going around 2 times. I'm gonna wrap here 2 times. I'm gonna go around here. See what I'm saying? What I'm doing? I'm gonna go around my thumb. Right? Tuck it in. Keep your fingers open. Go around here once. Then I'm gonna go around this finger here, between my fingers. See it?
Yep.
I'm gonna go around here. I'm gonna go around here again, halfway. Then I'm gonna go around the middle finger. See it? But I keep make sure it's not too tight. I need flexibility in my fist. If I can't close my hand right, that means I'm doing it wrong.
Okay.
You need flexibility.
Okay.
Okay. Here, I go around here. Now I go around this here. Right? See?
Okay.
Keep it tucked, close your hand, open. Just keep your fingers open. Go around here, but it doesn't work so okay because it's kind of short. And I go around here, but I'm gonna make a little twist so I can get the Rick curl.
Awesome.
Right? That's one way. On the other way, okay, here, go around. Okay, I went around 2 times. Go around here on my hand, cover my knuckles here.
Okay.
See it? I'll go 3 times. Right? Go around my thumb, but sometimes you can jam your thumb. Just keep your thumb pretty safe. Go around here 2 times. Go around my wrist. Take the wrist. Boom. I go around here. Boom. I'm gonna turn it here because it should have been the other side of the rack.
Excellent.
See it? Very flexible. If I can't